Okay. We are Mortgage Freeman. This next song is about love. It's about distance. But most importantly, it's about the 1985 Richard Donner film Lady Hawk, starring Rutger Hauer, Michelle Pfeiffer, and a young Matthew Broderick. Soundtrack produced by Alan Parsons. This is The Day and the Night.
1, 2, 3, 4. You stumbled down to a tragic story. Ooh, like it or not, you are lost in it with the rest of us. Ooh, I know that I promised. Ooh, but I know that you know what a weak-willed person I am. Ooh, I got prospects. My golden futures. But I turn around for a second and your shoes are gone. Look at us, the both of us. Holding our ground. Maybe I'm dreaming. My eyes wide open. Maybe I'm awake, dreaming I'm asleep.